Girl, what do you want?
Girl, I was scrolling through social media in the gym and your brows are crazy.
I'm trying to do that right now. Why you in my business?
Do you need the number to my eyebrow lady? Because girl, I could set up an appointment for you today.
Girl, I got it. Don't worry about me. Worry about you, sweetheart.
All right, girl, whatever. You got it. You're probably here because you're tired of people botching your eyebrows. So why don't you just do them yourself? Let's get into it. I'm going to be using this sink cover from Amazon. It just gives you more counter space and it's such a great hack to use. You're going to need a white pencil, eyeliner pencil. I'm using my Tweezerman tweezers, a spoolie, some type of razor. You could get these at the beauty supply store. I love this one from Sephora. Some saran wrap if you're going to dye your eyebrows. I'm going to use 20 volume developer, some bleach. My desired hair color will be ginger. Don't forget Vaseline, some type of ruler or something that can mimic a ruler, and something that could stick your eyebrows. I'm using soap. So what I'm doing here is mapping out my eyebrows. This is why you want the ruler and you want the white pencil so you can see what you're doing. So you usually can start by your nose. It will show you where exactly you should line the ruler for your eyebrows. And I just found a template off of like Google and I just go off of that. At this point, I kind of know how to do it, so I don't look at Google every time, but this is what you should be looking like. I then use whatever I'm going to stick my eyebrows down with. I use soap. You could use something else because, you know, soap with razors might burn. So grab your eyebrow scissors because this is where you're going to start trimming. So I start trimming at the top first, and I'm going to show you why I do the top and then the bottom. Because after we clean up the bottom, once we brush those hairs down and the bottom is clean, you'll be able to see exactly where to cut. So I use my tweezers to get anything that I've missed, and this is what I'm saying. So I'm brushing my eyebrows down, and you see how there's kind of like that clean cut line. You could kind of see where the hairs are falling over. That's what you want to trim. So you could get that, you know, the hairs aren't too long, but they aren't too short either. So let's do a little bit more cleaning. I'm just cleaning all the little hairs off the top that you can see and just like cleaning that up because my hair around my eyebrows are really long. They grow so like sparsely and just all over the place, but this is what a clean cut brow. Can y'all see the difference? Look at the right from the left. Like, this is insane. I'm telling y'all, you guys could do your own stuff yourself. You just need practice. You just got to take your time and you'll be able to do it. I'm not saying that my eyebrows come out perfect every time, but it's not super thin and it's not like super messy either. And I'm happy with it. I could always go and clean up more. I feel like I rather take off less than take off more because I can always go back and fix it. You get what I'm saying? Whereas if you go get your eyebrows done and they take off a lot of hair, you just have to wait for it to grow back. And I let my eyebrows get this bushy just so I could show you guys what it's like to do your eyebrows at home, because as you can see, my eyebrows grow so low and all over the place. I have like pretty tricky eyebrows, I personally feel like. So if you just wanted to shape your brows, this is the end of the video for you. But if you wanted to learn how to dye your brows and get the colors, then stay a while. So I'm mixing my 20 volume developer with my bleach. I use a low developer because it's eyebrow hairs. It doesn't need to be strong. Make sure to put Vaseline around your brows. You just opened your pores when shaving them. And baby, I did burn my other side. That's why I'm showing you this side where I put the Vaseline on first. Please make sure to put Vaseline on. Don't be like me. I'm not burned severely. It just felt like a sting. But people have sensitive skin, so put Vaseline. You want to get your saran wrap. And this saran wrap is just going to like trap in that heat so your eyebrows get to process. So from here, it's just a waiting game. So, child, I was just acting a fool. So now that your eyebrows are processed and you look like Lord Voldemort, that's how you know you got the right color, okay? You want to look a little sick. So I apply my color with a Q-tip. I don't add no Vaseline. My skin isn't sensitive to the point where it's going to be altered by semi-permanent color. But if your skin is like that, then I say add a protective barrier around your brows. I'm going to use my micellar water to just get the extra color off. It doesn't burn or anything. And that's it. That's truly how I do my brows every time I do it, with or without adding color. And I'm happy with them. So I hope you enjoyed this video.
Now I bet her eyebrow lady cannot do this.